I don't think people understand the sheer scale of this. Imagine the busiest day on Wall Street, but swap the suits for zebras, wildebeests, and gazelles. Every year, hundreds of thousands of beasts kick up a storm of dust as they trek across the Great Savannah. It's not just a walk in the park, folks. We're talking about a major league hustle from the Serengeti to the Masai Mara. Picture this: thundering hooves, relentless rivers, and the drama of survival. It's like Mother Nature's own reality show, and let me tell you, it's binge-worthy. From wildebeests that could rival any NYC cabbie in a traffic jam, to zebras showing off stripes that could outshine the fanciest Fifth Avenue threads. And don't forget the opportunistic crocs. Talk about your local tough guys waiting in the wings. This migration is a spectacle of nature's resilience and raw beauty, a chaotic ballet set on an endless stage of rolling grasslands and winding rivers. So strap in, hold on to your hats, and let's dive into the wild.